Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter 6, Introduction to Scratch, page number 108. Now we will see saving a project. Okay, this Scratch project, how we will save it, saving a Scratch project. So how to do it. So earlier we have studied about how to write the this blocks, means the how to use the blocks of the Scratch, how to perform, what is the use of motion block, pen block, okay, how to run it, everything we have seen that in earlier classes. So now after means like once you have finished your Scratch program, means you have kept the blocks in that script area, you have scripted the blocks. So then after how to means once you have run it, now you want to save it for the future purpose, means you want to save your this Scratch project. So how you will do? So very simple. Simply once you have to complete your Scratch coding, means you have to write in the script area, then after you have to click on the file tab. You will get in the menu bar, here is you will get file tab. In this you will have to drop down, so there is you will get the save option. Then after this save project window will open. Then after same you have to assign the name, means you and locate your file where you want to save. Here you can assign the name of the file, what this the name of the file means by which name your file will be saved, and the location you can, from here you can just locate the location on which drive where you want to save or which folder you want to save, so that you can find out, and then after click on the save button. So your project will be, this Scratch project will be saved. Okay, so next, like after saving you want to open it again. So then how you will open? So opening a saved project, to open the same step we will do as earlier we have done for the saving. So we will click on the file tab. Okay, then after there is a drop down arrow is there. In this you will find the open. So once you will click it open, so then after you will get again one window, open window. So here you will have to browse your file, means where you have saved, like in this folder you have saved, this the different folders are there. So in this folder you have saved or in this drive, so you have to first of all you have to browse and get that file. So that file will be displayed here, see this, it is displaying. And very important, just you have to keep in your mind, when we are saving the any Scratch file, when we are saving the any Scratch file, it will be always saved with the extension file name of .sb2. What is the extension file name of Scratch? Means here we will save the our Scratch file. So how it will save, means by which extension, like when we are saving the Word file, it is saved with the .docs, docx, or doc, like ppt, .pptx, it is saved. So similarly this, like our Scratch file, how with the which extension file it will save, it will save with the .sb2. okay, now this is the, here is the official website of Scratch is given, www.scratch.mit.edu. this is the official Scratch, this is the official website of the Scratch. Got it? Now next, which is we have creating a sprite by using paint editor. So when we have started, I told you this about the Scratch. This Scratch is some this sprite, means this by default the sprite of it, you will get the which shape, cat shape. That shape also you can change by default, so many are there, you can choose from there. And one other thing I told, you can means you can design your Scratch. I don't like your inbuilt one, I want the Scratch like this, simple. So it is not available, it means we can draw this also. So how to create a sprite by using like a paint editor? So this is very easy, we can do in the paint editor. Suppose you want this kind of sprite, okay, and you want to color its eye by the red, okay, and it should be like this. Okay, so you want to this kind of sprite, can you do? Yes, this is possible in the sprite, sorry, in the paint editor you can do. So they have given the facility to do it. So here creating a sprite by using paint editor. So children, you must be wondering how sprites are made, and it is possible to create a sprite of your own. The answer is yes. we will use paint editor of Scratch to create a sprite. To create a sprite in Scratch, first you see what are the steps are there. First, click on the paint new sprite. Where is that paint new sprite? And this icon you can see, this is the icon of paint new sprite. So where you will get, here you can see in the new, here in the costume tab, there are three tabs are there: scripts, costumes and sound. So you have to go in the costume tab, where you have to click on the costume tab. And some of the tabs which I did not tell you about, it is not in the mention in your book. Actually this is called the stamp. This is the one of the called duplicating or the stamp. This is to the cut. This is the another, you can see the icon, this is used for the cut. This is used for the zoom out, means to increase the size of the sprite. And this is called the zoom in, means to decrease the size of the sprite. And this is the sign of the help. Okay, so these are the different menus are there, you can use it. Here is also file tab, edit tab, tips and about. Okay, and these are the symbols which I already told you. Now here the script, you will get under the script motion block, pen block, sensing block, all the blocks you will get. But now in the costume, means for the change the anything, means the decorating of your sprite. So you have to go in the costume. In the costume you will see this is the pen. Okay, this is called the paint new sprite. Okay, there are three, you will get this kind of shape, this is four are there. This is this, if you will select this one, means by default whatever is present, means with the, this is called the built-in sprite. Built-in sprite means which is come with your Sprite software, means they have given, who have developed, means with that it will come. And secondly you will use this one, so you can draw it. Okay, you can draw, means in the paint editor you can create your, if you select this one, means whatever like in your computer it is, any picture is saved, you want to use as a sprite. Okay, sprite shape means sprite picture you want to use, and that is in your computer and you want to take from your computer drive, so you can choose this one. And if this, you will choose this last one, this is the camera shine. If you select this one, it means at the same time, means you want to take the picture, maybe your face you want to be use as a sprite, your face only, so you can use the camera or any thing you want to capture, so you can do it. So they are providing this 4 way to change the sprite shape. Okay, by default it is a cat, but you can change it. So there are how many ways? There are total 4 ways. Okay, this is the built-in, this is your by the use of paint, this is the you can get from the computer, and this is from the camera, means by using the camera you can do it. Okay, so here we will know how to use it by the paint editor. So first of all, then after we have to go to the costume tab, there we have to select this portion. Okay, this icon. Then after, use bitmap tool like a line, circle, pencil to draw the new sprite. We have drawn caterpillar. Here is it is in the example it is given, they have drawn the caterpillar by the help of line, circle, pencil. Okay, so miss, there are some tools are there. This is the text tool, fill, eraser. Okay, like a rectangle, circle, line, pencil. So every tools are there, you can use. There are colors are there. Okay, different colors that will be used, and you can draw it. This is called your paint editor. Okay, now once you will do, after completing it, you can also you can increase the decrease the size of the sprite. Okay, means as I told, there are the option to increase and decrease, means the size of the sprite you can also get it. Okay, now how to import a sprite, means you want to import from some other place, so that is also possible. You have an image or character can be used as a sprite. You can import image and same will be added to the stack. The import which is possible, click on the import button on costume window. Okay, in the costume window there will be the import button, as I told that this the box is there, so you can take from your computer files, and you from the internet also you can import it. Okay, so this is the method, these are the process by which we can create our own sprite. Okay, Now after this all, you can see for the importing, you can see this window will open and you can import, as I told about these 4 uses of this all. Okay, so this is called importing. From here you can import from your computer. This is to take the picture, this is the built-in. Okay, so now next, like here is that some of the pictures you have selected, then after open, so that will be added as your sprite. Then you can adjust it there in that editor. You can manage the size. Now next, after saving a sprite, that sprite whatever you have created, that you want to save, like you have created this shape. Okay, this shape you want to save. So how you will do, click on the file menu, then go to the save option, save project. Okay, then after choose location on the left. So means saving window you will get, means the location window where you want to save. Write the file name and the click the save button. That's all, it will save. So there are some quick knowledge for you. Scratch can easily run on different operating system, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux. It means Scratch can run on any like different operating systems. It is not like a limited operating system. It can run widely, means on different OS it can be run. Like it can be run on Windows also, it can run on Mac also, it can run on Linux also. Okay,